Hello everyone, this time we're not going to be doing any programming. Instead we're going to be talking about how to get Instagram pictures in the best quality we can get them. Let's go pick an Instagram profile from the most followed Instagram accounts. I'm going to pick a random number. This one is fine. I want to first explain how to simply get the media from the posts. So let's take this post for example. If I want to take this picture, all I have to do is go to the picture and then add to the link /media/ question mark size equals L. Once you type this in and press enter, you're going to get the highest picture that you can get, highest quality picture that you can get. It has 40 kilobytes and it is 1080 and 1080. And you can just right click a save image as. There you go, that's for the media. And then if you have a video, now this depends because there's a couple of types of videos. There's a live stream as well. So we can take this video for example. I'm not going to watch the video yet, but what I'm going to do is right click check. So right click right here, it might say inspect element or something like that. It doesn't matter. You can also use the view page source. If you do that, you can do the same thing that I'm doing right here because this is the same code as this. Actually, maybe using this would be even easier. Depends on the person. Control and F and write MP4 and you're going to see a match. So now this is where you have to be careful because some of these are pictures. If you take a look right here, it is a picture. Clear, it points out and it tells me the amount of pixels. So that's the bottom one, and the middle one we don't know, and the top one we don't know. So one of them is the video. Now this one says video/mp4. This is the link for the Placeline poster. Now I'm guessing that's not the video, so middle one should be the video. If I cut this out and I paste it here, I get the video. So in order to download this video, all you have to do is go right in the corner right here and click on this, and it's going to be the download option right here. Or you can just right click on the video and save the video as. And that's it. That's for the videos and the pictures in the best quality that you can get them. It's really simple. Now, for the profile picture, you just have to right click somewhere where you can, and then possibly close to it, and then you just have to look for it, even this part. So it's in this div, and in this header and in this one, and then all you have to do is go here and there's the picture. Now the problem is this picture, once you take it from here, is not going to be the greatest, but that's how it's supposed to be, I think, and because Instagram doesn't give you any better. If you want to take a look at all of this information through a JSON file, we can do that in the next video. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to show you that because it's really useful, and if you can't find some data, if you can't find some posts, you can find them here, or maybe it's going to be easier for you to find the links. And all you have to do is add into the link the question mark and then _ a equals 1 after the slash, and press enter, and it's going to open this thing. Now don't worry, all you have to do is press Ctrl F and write profile pic URL HD, and there it is. That's the best quality that it can give you for the profile picture. So if you copy this, there you go, that's the same photo, right, from the beginning, and the best quality right here is 320 × 320. It just happens to be like that. And also there is the profile pic URL right here, which is the lower version of the profile pic. So if you enter this one, it's just going to be lower, and as you can tell right here, it says 150 × 150. And right here you can actually find the pictures as well. If you didn't like the media/size approach, you can actually find the pictures right here. So all you have to do is type in P1080, and this is in order to find some of the pictures. Now some of them are going to be stored as, so this is what we're looking for, the P1080 or X1080. So some of them will be stored as S1080. So let's take a look at any of them. If we take a look right here, this is the URL for one of the pictures, and if we copy the URL, there's a picture, and I'm guessing it's the fine quality. Yes, it is. And now if we take a look at one of the P's, right here is the URL, and we copy the URL and we paste it right here, and there you go. That's the highest quality that you can get it from. And as you can tell, sometimes it just says 1080 times 1080, but it isn't. So in this case, it isn't 1080 times 1080. It is 1080 times 1350, but that's fine. If you get this through your program, it's just going to get the best quality that it can get. So that's it for getting the Instagram pictures, and thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day.